Alright, so today on Ultimate Garage, we are going to be doing plugs on a 1996 240 SX. We have a little bit of a symptom where blue smoke is occurring on startup. So first things first, it does have a valve cover sweat. So we're going to be just pulling the plugs, seeing if there's any oil on them, which could be causing this little puff of blue smoke in the beginning. This is actually my brother's car. He just picked this up. And this is James over here, ripping them out. Alright, so all new plugs are installed. We use some nice anti-seize and dielectric for the coils. We're going to do a startup, see if it resolves anything. I doubt it, but whatever it is next, we'll dig deeper into. Happy it's finally running smoother now. A lot less smoke. I mean, not as bad as before. That is it for today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content on the fairly new S14.